Welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. We extend our warmest greetings to you as you step into the world of Simple Repair, a sanctuary for mobile device enthusiasts and the ultimate destination for your device's needs. We appreciate the trust you place in us by choosing us to breathe new life into your treasured iPhone 8, which bears the weight of both camera and screen issues. The iPhone 8, a technological marvel, serves as a bridge to your world of memories and connectivity. The camera captures life's precious moments, while the screen is your window to the digital realm. We understand their significance and the void that appears when they falter. Today, we embark on a dual mission, addressing both aspects with the utmost care and expertise. Our team of skilled technicians, with a combined experience spanning decades, is ready to devote their precision and attention to detail to your iPhone 8. They consider each repair not as a task but as an art, a meticulous process that involves not only fixing what's broken but restoring the magic that defines your device. As we dedicate ourselves to your iPhone 8, we invite you to find solace in our cozy and inviting waiting area. Here, you can immerse yourself in comfort with a choice of freshly brewed coffee, a selection of teas, and a range of snacks to please your palate. Our goal is not only to repair your device but to make your experience with us memorable and enjoyable. Should you have any questions or curiosities during the repair process, our affable and knowledgeable staff members stand ready to assist you. We aim to not only meet but exceed your expectations, providing guidance and assurance every step of the way. Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop, a name you've chosen for your device's salvation, represents a promise. It's a commitment from us to you that we'll strive for nothing less than perfection. Your iPhone 8, upon leaving our doors, will bear witness to our dedication. Its camera capturing moments with brilliance, and its screen inviting you to explore your digital world with clarity. In this dynamic and fast-paced digital era, your satisfaction is our compass. We're determined to ensure that your experience with us is seamless, transparent, and memorable. Should you have inquiries about future device needs, general advice, or even a friendly chat, we're here for you. We don't just repair devices, we aim to make your mobile journey simpler, more enjoyable, and hassle-free. Once again, welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. We're humbled by your trust and eager to embark on this journey with you to bring back the vibrancy of your iPhone 8. Together, let's redefine what it means to experience excellence in mobile device care. Thank you for choosing Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop as your trusted destination for mobile device solutions. Our mission is clear: to deliver the highest standards of service and craftsmanship, ensuring your iPhone 8 returns to you with a fully functional camera and an immaculate screen. Your satisfaction is our guiding star, and we're committed to ensuring your experience with us is nothing short of exceptional. If you have any further inquiries, need assistance with other device issues, or simply wish to chat, please don't hesitate to reach out. Contact with our channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Simple Repair.